Okay, coffee's brewed. One thing I'm going to say about the packaging. I was in such a rush and so nervous doing this unboxing. I opened this actually the wrong way. When you look at the packaging, you flip it over on the back side and you take a look. You see those indentations? Actually, that's the side you should pull this on so that you're able to use the Ziploc feature of the bag. I was in a rush. Okay, I tore the bag open. Had to use my own Ziploc for my beans, but my mistake, your game. Okay, now we're gonna pour this out. Now, for you coffee connoisseurs, this is actually a medium body, a medium roast coffee. Okay, now, shameless plug for those who can tell me who made this cup. I'll see if I can get you a set, or I'll buy you some coffee. Anyway, it's another family member, but like I said, shameless plug. Gotta get that in. Check it out. Okay? I got a set of 4 of these. Now, I'm gonna do a flip on this so you can see my center face. Wait a minute now. Can't do it. I gotta flip it manual. Anyway, if you can see me, smells good. Now, normally I like half and half and sugar in my coffee. Ooh, but one of the things I wanted to start trying doing is drinking my coffee straight up, black. This, you can do that. You can taste the notes, just kind of wash over your tongue. Now, just to let you know, I have an asbestos lips and tongue. This coffee is still steaming. Okay? I can work with this. Now, every now and then, I like to go with what I call my liquid sugar. But that's another story. You folks enjoy. Support the family. Thank you.